yellow color, black color, green color, yellow ochre color, red color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw A and use yellow color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use black color. D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for God. Kids, now you draw H, the alphabets of H, and use green color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker. Kids, now you draw K and use yellow ochre color. K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use red color. O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V and use blue color. V for van, W for wheel, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.